Good morning traders, this is Chris here. This is your early morning briefing for the 14th of December. It's 6:30 in the morning here in the UK. Nice and early before London Open. Congratulations yesterday on all members who had the gold move. A lovely 172 pips in about 15 minutes. It was a fantastic breakout. Congratulations to you. Further upside is likely in the next few hours, but we do expect the pullback to happen, probably down to this support here at 2031 before it goes up to 2055. Good news, we've been waiting for it. Now the DXY is parabolic to the downside. What this means is dollar weakness is on. It's going to our target 102.17, waiting for this for quite some time. What this means now is that we are interested in the US dollar pairs. Euro dollar to the upside, pound US dollar to the upside, US Swiss to the downside, US yen to the downside. But let me show you yesterday's results, which were amazing. So congratulations if you traded oil, a lovely 356 pips yesterday. If you traded the US yen, still up, heading for 138.80, and as you can see further down 45, so we're about 400 pips in profit if you held on to that. Congratulations. Canadian yen, congratulations. Let's go down to the the euro yen, and as you can see it hit our target. Lovely 250 pips. Congratulations to you guys. Canadian hit our target at 225 pips. Pound yen hit our target of 340 pips. New Zealand yen hit our target of 103 pips. Swiss yen, we had two positions on this. This has hit both targets, and we had about 250 on this one, and an additional trade on this liquidity zone, and another 273 pips. So congratulations. We're now looking to set up on gold. We're now looking to set up on euro dollar, so we can forget about the yens for the moment. But I'll be doing a full analysis for members this afternoon during the New York session once markets have settled. But it's looking fantastic for the end of the year.